Travel can be really so stressful, especially in the airport at MIA, with the crowds and the planes, in case you had weather, and if it was canceled, are you going to get there on time? Any tips on people out there who are getting right now, maybe they're watching the show saying, I'm packing right now.
I mean, these are just going to be the travel tips that you would usually have at any moment, but in particularly now. So for example, get there in time or well ahead of time, plan ahead, pack everything ahead of time. Give yourself some time to get into the airport, and if you need to sit somewhere to relax, to eat when you get there. Just your basic travel tips, except double everything. So take a double dose of whatever you would usually do to travel, double dose it right now. Yeah.
And be aware that if Mother Nature steps in, there is nothing you can do. I mean, there's some things that are out of our hands that we just got to say, oh my gosh. I mean, I know it's easier said than done.
Yeah. I also tell my patients, you know yourself. So with some of my patients, I'm preparing for the holidays months before. So if I have a patient that is... Yes.
You do that months before?
Yes. So if I have a patient that is severely anxious, you probably don't want to get on a plane, go to an airport. So know yourself and plan for that. You know, plan a stay at home, you know, holiday versus that going out and having to face the crowds. You know what would work best for you so that you can also enjoy that time.
We always leave for the holidays every year, and this is the first year we as a family, my girls and I and my husband are staying. I am so relieved. I'm like, I can't believe this. This is the best. Like, I'm thinking, what am I gonna do, right? And it's the first time I said, we're staying. And it was like a big load, like, whew.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
So it doesn't always have to be this huge production for the holiday. Sometimes just something small and nice at home is, you know, a beautiful thing.